Celebrities who have the most NFT. You can't avoid it? Someone is always talking about NFTs, the metaverse, or why cryptocurrency is the future of money. And since the release of Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and other well-known NFTs, the digital art world has expanded dramatically. So here are the celebrities with the most NFTs. Number 10. Justin Bieber. The company is named In-Betweeners, and it is well known throughout the universe for its innovations in the NFT world. Their collection is made up of NFTs that look like teddy bears. With Justin Bieber's help, the collection skyrocketed, and other Hollywood A-listers, including Tom Holland, the guy who has the Hollywood role of Spider-Man, and equally surprising, J Balvin, the Spotify singer, who is also at the top of his field. I know you are wondering how the world of NFT is spinning because these guys are spending money like crazy. These commodities don't cost just pennies. They are actually spending thousands if not millions. And furthermore, for just a teddy bear? I think Gary Vaynerchuk ought to explain this more. Anyway, other than that, we know that Gian Piero D'Alessandro, a young artist, and Pasquale Gavino, a manager, came up with the idea for In-Betweeners. Developers traveled to Italy and spent their Christmas holidays creating the collection with them, as they were unfamiliar with the industry. And apparently, believe it or not, it is not just in Bieber as an American music maker who's obsessed with this new buzzword, NFT. Number 9. Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton, the original influencer, embodied all of the upcoming trends in the early 2000s, from her dedication to Y2K style to stating that the selfie will become the new autograph. The heiress has always seemed to be one step ahead, and this has extended to the crypto art sphere. Apparently, for Hilton, NFTs aren't just a buzzword, but seemingly one of the biggest investments of her life yet. Hilton collaborated with designer Blake Catherine to create a series of 3 unique pieces titled Hummingbird in My Metaverse, Legend of Love, and Iconic Crypto Queen. When asked why she is embracing the craze, Hilton said she is so invested in new media as a space for new creations that she dreams. What can we say but rock on Hilton? After all the fracas with her dad, she surely deserves everything good that comes her direction. Number 8. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg announced his first NFT collection, A Journey with the Dog, in late March 2021, which is the culmination of the rapper's early memories combined with the medium of NFTs. The enduringly popular rapper stated that his art is a look into the life of his younger self, with 8 units available in limited quantities, including original track NFT, Snoop Dogg coins, Diamond Joint, and D's Nuts. Snoop Dogg has commented on the rise of crypto art, stating that he has seen modern technology progress from analog to digital over the course of his decade-long career, and that he is excited to explore the new digital sphere and connect with his fans. The globally recognized innovator and entrepreneur also expressed excitement about the concept, believing that the technology will change the way artists do business. The drop lasted only 48 hours, and Snoop Dogg earned more than $100,000 for just one of the pieces sold. Look at Snoop showing them how it's done. A few of us can learn from him when it comes to putting our money where our mouth is. Number 7. Ellen DeGeneres. Ellen DeGeneres, another newcomer to the digital world, joined the NFT gold rush in late April with her first sale. As her first NFT, DeGeneres decided to auction off her explanation of NFTs on The Ellen Show, as well as a physically drawn picture of a cat featured in the clip. The talk show host earned $33,495 during the 24-hour period, which she donated to the World Central Kitchen, a food relief organization founded by Chef Jose Andres. Number 6. Tony Hawk. Tony Hawk, the legendary skateboarder, decided to give NFTs his own spin by auctioning off a video of himself performing a trick on the Eternity chain. His 540-degree ollie, which he first landed in 1989, was billed as the skateboarder's last ollie. The clip is supposed to be compared with his first ollie 540 from more than 3 decades ago. And while we don't have an idea as to when the next edition will be out, being so intimately close to Hawk, we can assume it will fetch a high price. Number 5. Shawn Mendes. Following the success of its Mesut Zil line, Musician Shawn Mendes joined the marketplace OpenSea with a collaboration with Jenny's to sell unique wearables. The items, which included a virtual guitar, necklaces, vests, and earrings, were available for purchase on OpenSea and earned Mendes more than $600,000. Mendes donated the proceeds of the sale to the Shawn Mendes Foundation Wonder Grants, which are designed to assist young activists with big ideas. Number 4. Cara Delevigne. Cara Delevigne, like her fellow British supermodel Kate Moss, used NFTs to promote female empowerment in the burgeoning crypto market. Delevigne collaborated with artist Chemical X to release a video of herself. The one-of-a-kind NFT followed in the footsteps of celebrities who use their platforms and voices to raise funds for charity, donating the proceeds to her foundation, which supports women's empowerment, COVID relief, LGBTQIA+ causes, environmental causes, and the fight against institutional racism. Number 3. Emily Ratajkowski. Emily Ratajkowski sold off an NFT named Buy Myself Back to reclaim the Instagram photo of herself that artist Richard Prince. It was one of the most prominent stories of celebrities using the power of NFTs. The model and her boyfriend paid $81,000 for Prince's copy of her own image at the time. Ratajkowski auctioned off her NFT, a composite image of the model, standing in front of the blown-up Richard Prince Instagram post in her living room, on May 14, reclaiming Ratajkowski's power to own and profit from her own image. Number 2. Martha Stewart. Martha Stewart joined the NFT community as a surprise, coupled with the announcement that she would be launching an NFT collection and her own digital boutique called Fresh Mint. The lifestyle icon recently jumped headfirst into the NFT space, finding immediate support from the community. Although Stewart isn't yet an active member of the non-fungible community, given her friendship with Snoop Dogg, there's a good chance she'll become an NFT maximalist sooner or later. Number 1. Shaquille ONeal. Shaq made his interest in NFTs known to the public in late September when he changed his Twitter PFP to an NFT from the popular Creature World project. His involvement in the space was speculative at first, but when he joined the Creature World Discord to share a message with its inhabitants, it was clear he had fully embraced the NFT. That's all we have for today, but check out the next video we have about crypto, and we'll see you there. Take care.